Hi, my name is Sakshi. I have enrolled this Digital Vidya. Actually, I'm not from the corporate background. I want to switch my career to digital marketing. With the passage of time, we have learned that digitalization is really imperative in life. So, being a mother, it's very difficult for me to cooperate with the live classes. So, one of my friends told me about Digital Vidya, that this institute is really beneficial for your career, and they teach a lot of things about how digital marketing works, and a lot of practical things are included in this. So at first, being a mother, I have a small baby, I was so confused whether I will be able to conduct the classes or not. But when I started, I was completely mesmerized by the environment, the comfortable level with the teacher, the way they were teaching, the way they were participating, and let us do ask questions whatever we have queries about the things which we're not getting, or making us understand very nicely. So I was completely satisfied with the course which I have done in these 5 months. I'm grateful to all the mentors who have taken their time and their efforts to teach us all the concepts very nicely. I have understood that being a mother, it's really imperative to just pursue your career as well. And Digital Vidya has given me this opportunity, and I'm looking forward to get placed by this institute only, and they are promising me as well. And I'm really thankful to all the mentors at last, and thank you so much for your great support. Actually, earlier I was a teacher, but I want to switch to digital marketing because in this area, in this scenario in which we are living, everything is digitalized. And being a digital marketer, it's digital marketing profession is really booming nowadays. Everybody want their brands to be, get digitalized, their brand to be recognized by the customers, to the audience. So that is why this profession is growing nowadays and over the world. Actually, we are planning to migrate to Canada. This is our main agenda, to do digital marketing course, because in Canada also this course and this profession is really increasing. So that is why I've chosen this course as my career nowwards.